Damn. Yeah, I'm pretty crazy, but $350 off? Like, I can't not do that. Damn. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, but I gotta do it. There's no other way. Oh, fuck. There really isn't a way. Holy shit. This is crazy. Holy shit. Yeah, this is actually crazy. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's actually crazy. Yeah, fuck it. We're not doing this. Fuck, that's as far as I made it down the fucking street. Yeah, that's insane. It's insane people like think this is okay. Fucking hell, man.